Hola, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be about passion twists and how I do it. So I'll be using the crochet passion twist hair, but you can also use the Freetress water wave or bohemia or deep wave, whichever you prefer. If you prefer another brand as well, that's perfectly fine. But in this pack, it already come twisted. So what I do is I pull it apart and then braid it into my hair and then twist it. Now, before I actually start the process, I do part my hair and then go ahead and do some individual plaits, I guess you can say. Is not fully plaited down, but it's halfway or to the point where I want to stop. You can decide how. Alright, so the reason why how much you want to braid it for, but for me, I kind of did it because I want it to look a little bit more neat and tight. So when I do it this way, I notice that it does look a little bit more neat. So basically, I just do a plait. Well, I take the passion twist apart and then plait it down to where I actually plaited my real hair and just do a little bit of a braid. And then at the ends of my hair that I didn't braid, I split it in two and then I start to do the twist. Now, while I'm doing the twist, I do use the Eco Styling Gel to kind of put everything together. So the passion twist hair in my hair to make it look really neat. Now, the jam is used for the parting, just to make sure that the parts look good and the plait is neat. Now for this, I actually just needed only 5 packs of the Crochet Passion Twist. So it would vary depending on what type of hair that you're using. I would just say start at 5 packs. The inches that I got was pretty long, so it reaches to my butt area, but you can get whatever length that you are comfortable with. But I really like the long look. You know, you can really dress it up, you can dress it down, you can add some accessories. You know, it's a pretty good look, and it's not too much tension to the natural hair. So I hope you guys like this and it was an easy tutorial. Please comment or like or subscribe, and comment below with any suggestions or how it came out for you. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.